Hello everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Just picked up a few things. I just got back from there. So let me show you what's going on. I got these, what is this? A microfiber car wash sponge. Got two of these. And then you can put your hand, you see this little pouch here, you put your hand, you can wipe the car. So I always do a car kit for hubby, and when my nephew was living here, I always like get them something new for the car each year. And then a new microfiber rag here. And then I already have their like soaps and waxes and stuff like that. Put this away. Whew, girl, it was busy in there today. Your girl's tired. Okay, and then just picked up some new candy. Get some new candy canes. It didn't have Twizzlers. They had some red vines, so I settled for red vines. I prefer Twizzlers. They had a whole bunch of turtles in there. And then they didn't have the Harry and David pods, so I got these for some gift baskets, coffee mugs when I do my mug gifts. And then I got a new set. I had like so many of these last year. I finally I gave some away, gifted some, and then so now there's a new batch, and these are good to like September of 2025. All right, got that. I hope you guys are doing well today. Getting ready for the holidays. Let's see, so like I got 4 of everything. Like I got 4 of these, 4 of those, and 4 of the donut cafes. Because I try one. I've never had these before, so I want to try this one. And if I like it, then I'll gift it. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh, and they have I used to get these rock candies from Party City. I like to put them in some of my gift baskets and mug gifts. So they had these. And these were I got 2. They only had 2 left. So I got those. You get 4 in here, and they're individually wrapped. So you can go on and open them up, spread them out among your gifts. And these are my favorite things. I love these Margaritaville. Sometimes I'll have to use like the Weilers, like for some of my like cocktail cups that I do, but they actually had the Margaritaville. It's a strawberry daiquiri drink mix. You get 6 little singles, and what you do, I'll show you how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna gift these. So you get your cup, and this is my next gift there. I got these. I love these cups. And you take one of your margarita things and you put it in like a 16-ounce one of your bottles, your bottled water, just like you would. Put this in there, and then you put your alcohol in there. Shake it up so you can go to a concert. I like these, you give these for adult gifts, so they can have some holiday cheer in a pretty cup. Okay. So, and they also have these in what is that, pina colada, but I like the strawberry daiquiri. So we got those. Okay, so I got the cup in red. And I saw these red ones on my way out at the checkout because they were like not where these were. I was like, my fellow people from the ATL, so they then came up here and took all the purple, the reds, and the white, and so they only left the green. And I looked, and so they had like 2 boxes with the red, the white ones, and some other colors. So I got the green and the reds. Okay, I got 2 of each. And I got these fake, people are calling these the fake Stanley cups, but they're good, they're cute. They're very substantial, and just $1.25. How many ounces? I can't see the ounces. And it comes with a straw. Let's open it up. See what you do. It says you can drink 2 ways, with or without the straw. Ooh, I'm hearing a crack already. Trying to open this up. Okay, so it's like this. And that much, so the straw can come out. So you can just sip it like this. You guys get the idea. It's just a cup. Okay, so it is cute. These come in other colors too, but they only left the green ones. So everybody, the fake Stanley cups. Got that. Oh, then I also got one in gold too. Got a couple in gold. And then I got like paper towels and toilet paper foil for Thanksgiving. 2 days before Thanksgiving. This is Tuesday before Thanksgiving. So as soon as the sun peeked out, I ran out. I need to get out and get some sun. Okay, and then I saw these. You see these up front. These are so cute. You know, I love mimosa glasses. So we got these. They're in the, the motif of a tree. And, this year they have those tree plates. And I was in there last week and they had a lot more of these. And I even had them in my cart. But I'm like, no, I'm not here for that. So I put them back. And when I went in there today, they only had one left. One of these. But they had several of these where it says Christmas cheers. So I got 4 of these. I put on the bar cart or on your beverage station. They're cute. So you have your little holiday cheer, your little Christmas punch in a nice glass. Okay, so we got that. I showed you all of that. Showed you. Okay, then now, excuse me, hear my knees cracking. See all this junk. All right, so now we have, these are so cute. These are nice, and they're going to make nice gifts for someone. You got your little Snug-a-Doo hat with the pom-pom. $1.25. We have to say that nowadays. And some Snug-a-Doo socks. And they have the from and to card on there. Have that. And all these will make good little gifts for your boxes, your gift boxes or your gift basket. These little snuggadoos. These snuggadoos, I don't know. They're comfortable. These little footsies. Then here's another style hat. And it has a nice kind of felt on the inside like that. Okay, I got two. Then you find a scarf. The scarves were in a different location. Got a nice scarf. It's nice. You know, if you live up north, you know, maybe on a warmer day in the 50s or 60s, you can wear this. But, you know, down here in the south, this is nice. This will, you know, get the job done on most winter days. And then we got the gloves. The juncture gloves, you got a set of 2. I love scarves. I've always liked scarves because I was raised up in the north and we get cold. We get cold in Ohio, honey, in the winter time. And I used to have to walk to school. I never took the bus. So, girl had to walk to school, and I didn't live too close to the school. So I've always liked scarves. Okay, also got scarf. That's a pretty color, isn't it? Got that. Some match. I got some socks to match. These are snuggadoos. So you could put a nice ensemble together as a gift, you know, like for your grandkids. You know, my family, the kids in my family, they know where I shop and I get them the best. And they used to make fun of me. Now they're like, they use that stuff. You know, then you want to add a gift card with it. And especially nowadays, because, you know, these are uncertain times. So, you know, I'm very selective about where I'm spending my money. If I'm spending my money, I don't want to promote a lot of commercialism. That wasn't a big part of our household growing up. My parents didn't believe in us just going out, just spending a whole lot of money, going into debt just because these retailers say, you know, just because it's Christmas and stuff. And I do promote making sure that your finances, your accounting your accounting system is in the black. Your household budget's in the black. Don't worry about trying to make sure that these companies, you know, they're doing everything to make sure that their bottom line is in the black. You make sure yours is first. Okay, these are some pink label socks. Look at these pretty gloves. I think I have a pink hat to this, but it's upstairs. I already started putting stuff in the boxes, but there's a little pretty fuzzy hat with this, and then there's these gloves. Got more socks. And then we got the white set. Got a white hat. And it has that kind of like soft felt lining. These aren't cheap. These have like nice linings in them. And then we have another scarf. And then there's some white gloves to go with this. But I already took them upstairs. I have 2 sets of everything, so I don't know. I had these split up. Let's see. Oh, and I got another set. There's another set of gloves. So I'm just showing you guys this so that you can kind of look out. If you're, you know, shopping this year, you're looking for affordable but beautiful and good quality gifts. They got them at Dollar Tree. And so you can look out for these, okay? That's what it's all about. So that I don't mind going around shopping, looking for stuff, but some people don't really have the time. So You know, and I'm going to always make sure that you, I'm going to bring you things that are like tasteful. Like I said, that's the name of the game. Being tasteful, living tastefully for less. And don't sleep on these. These are better quality socks than they used to have. Because I got a pair. I washed them already 6 times. And they still look very good. They look good. They didn't shrink up or anything. So these socks are good. Keep them for your son, get some for you, some for the kids, the grandkids, your daughters, or whatever. Okay, I think that's everything this trip. And so I'm pleased with everything. And just want to share that with you. And so you can look out for these things. Yeah. All right, guys. So thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification. Oh, I'm getting hot. I don't have a fan in here. I'm going to turn my fan on. And so, yeah. So if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.